Hello and a big welcome back to the Wee Laura channel. Today we're going to be making this delicious spicy blackberry sausage bake. Don't forget to pop over to Patreon and download my lovely recipe cards for this recipe. So we're going to need quite a bit of ingredients for this recipe, but don't worry, it's actually a really easy recipe. Now you could actually swap out the pork sausages and use venison instead. I think that would also work really well here. And you can use different vegetables on the base of this dish as well if you want to swap things out. So feel free to change things around. So we're going to add our butter and all of our vegetables into our pan there, and we're just going to cook them down for about 5 to 10 minutes or so. We're not looking to cook them completely, we're just cooking them off in the butter a little bit just before we pop them into the dish. So we're adding our onions and our peppers. And we're popping in our garlic as well. And our mushrooms. So as I said, you could use sweet potatoes or butternut squash, any other vegetables that you want to use, or a different type of mushroom even as well would even work. I tried to keep it as seasonal as possible, but this is what I had available in the fridge, so I just went for this. And it actually turned out really nice. But yeah, feel free to swap it up. So we're just going to season it with some salt and pepper there. And we're just going to give it a wee stir through before we pop it into our dish. So we're going to pop all of our vegetables into our dish there, so it just creates a really nice base for the sausages to cook on top of, and the flavour of the sausages likes to soak on down through all the vegetables and make them taste super delicious. So you can add more or less in here if you want to as well. Just feel free to vary up the quantities as well as using different types of vegetables. So we're going to add all of our sausages into our pan there. The pan I'm using is quite wee, so I'm just doing them in batches, so I'm doing 6 at a time here. If you've got a bigger pan, obviously you can cook them all at once. So we're just browning them for 5 to 10 minutes or so. Try not to burn them like I'm doing. And we're just going to pop them into our tray there. And we're just going to cook up the second batch of sausages. So once all our sausages are brown, we're going to pop this into the oven at 160 for about 30 to 45 minutes. And we want to take it out 10 minutes before they're finished cooking to add in our sauce. So while that's cooking, we're going to boil up some tatties, and we're going to do some creamy mash here. We're also going to do some cabbage as well. And of course, we're also doing our chili sauce. So I'm using Mackey's chili jam here. You can use a substitute if you can't get a hold of this. It doesn't really matter. Just any chili jam will do, but this is super delicious for this recipe. And I'm using some lovely blackberries, of course, as well. So we've added all of our chili jam in there and a splash of apple cider vinegar and our wee bit of butter as well. Now, I did actually have loads of blackberries for this recipe, but by the time I went to get them on the counter, somebody had been sneaking them all, and my wee one was nibbling away. So we were left with 4 blackberries, but you can actually use as many as you want. Obviously, you can add a lot more than I've got in here. Considering that is the main ingredient for this dish, I would recommend using a little bit more. But anyway, so we're going to pour that over our sausages just for the final 10 minutes of cooking. You want to make sure everything is cooked well through before serving as well. And this just adds a nice sticky glaze to the sausages, and it gives the vegetables a really nice sauce as well. Super delicious recipe and so easy to make as well. Kids absolutely love this one. So we're going to cook our cabbage up there, just very simple, just with a wee bit of butter and some salt and pepper. You could also serve this up with some greens, some kale, carrots as well, just whatever you fancy. So our sausages are nice and ready there, and you can see the sauce is absolutely delicious. I'm sure you've probably added in more blackberries than I have. and I'm sure you're getting all the flavours of autumn in there. So lovely, absolutely love this recipe. I forgot to mention I was actually mashing up some neep in here as well, so it's not just tatties, it's actually tatties and neep that I'm mashing together. So I've added in some butter and some milk. You can vary the quantities of this depending on how creamy you want it, and I'm just mashing it through until it's nice and creamy because my wee one loves creamy mash. So we're going to serve it up with a good helping of mash and some of the lovely cabbage. And as I said, you can use different vegetables if you want to as well. And a couple of sausages each, and we're going to add some of those lovely vegetables from the dish and some of the sauce as well. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Let me know how you got on, and don't forget to pop over to Patreon and download your recipe cards from there, from my recipe collection. And you can also pop over and say hello on Instagram as well. I'd love to hear if you tried this recipe. Pop over and let me know. So if you did enjoy it, please feel free to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, if you click the subscribe button and the little bell next to it, I will see you guys again soon. So take care, lots of love, bye bye.